Hi, today I'm going to be giving you a review of Pictory AI and also a little tutorial about how it works. So let's start with the tutorial. So for example, here I'm just going to give you a demonstration of one of its uses called text to video, right? So for example, I want a text to video here and I want a video about Minecraft parkour. And you can see if I start typing here, and for example, I want the video script to be, this is a video about Minecraft parkour and its techniques and its tips and tricks, right? So that's our video. Let's click on enter and let's leave it to save its changes. After it's saved, let's go to proceed and let's generate a video based on this title and script. Let's wait for it to finish here. Let me speed it up. Now, once it's finished, it'll say selecting the perfect soundtrack and it'll generate our video based on our script and our video title. So again, let's wait for it to load here. It's preparing our video review so we can watch the video directly. There you go. Our video is finished. Again, let's wait for it to load. Now you can see we're gonna be presented with a video right here. Let's wait for it to load real quick.
This is a video about Minecraft parkour and its techniques and its tips and tricks.
Now you can see that was the video that it generated, right? Now it's not exactly what we want, right? So we want Minecraft parkour, but it's just generated some random ass. Now we wanted a video of Minecraft parkour, but it's just generated a random video with a ball rolling in a pool in what it seems like LA, right? So it's not exactly the most advanced thing ever. But if you're looking for something more general and more automated, like you want to make a video about LA or about city, this could be a good tool. But you can see it's still kind of primitive. Now you can see even worse it is that the pricing of it, right? If you really want this and this is what you want and you want something automated like this and you want video really really fast, you can pick one of these plans, right? So professional, starter, teams, or enterprise, right? So for starter, you get about 200 video minutes per month. For professional, you get 600 videos minutes per month. If you want to increase it, of course, it'll increase the price as well. For teams, you can also increase it like that. Of course, it's much more expensive for teams because it's for teams. And if you want to enterprise this, you'll have to contact sales, right? But if you can see from my review earlier and from my demonstration, the video is not exactly the best yet. But if you're sure this is what you want and you don't have any problem with those kind of primitive videos and those weird still text to speech video AI, then I say go for it and you can buy any one of these plans. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.